Friday night, I'm going nowhere. All the lights are changing, green to red. Turning over TV stations, situations running through my head. Looking back through time, you know it's clear that I've been blind, I've been a fool to open up my heart to all that jealousy, that bitterness, that ridicule. Saturday, I'm running wild and all the lights are changing red to green. Moving through the crowds I'm pushing, chemicals are rushing in my bloodstream. I only wish that you were here, you know I'm seeing it so clear. I've been afraid to show you